Hey, are you or someone you love recovering from addiction, homelessness, incarceration, or mental health challenges? Are you looking for a safe, sober, welcoming place to spend the day where everyone knows your name?
Come check out Recovery Cafe San Jose, a beautiful, safe, sober environment where members can access nutritional meals, build new supportive relationships, heal in small group recovery circles, and access life-affirming resources. Through connection and stability, we help people reclaim their lives, rediscover their worth, and build a future filled with hope and purpose.
Those interested in becoming new members can attend new member orientation weekly on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. For those interested in volunteering or partnering with us, we would love to hear from you as well.
For more information, visit recoverycafesj.org, reach out to info@recoverycafesj.org, or give us a call at 408-294-2963.
Thank you, and we look forward to you joining our community.